Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to do a memorial elephant for my granddaughter. I know for those of you that have been following me, know what's going on in my life. My daughter just had a baby, and it was stillborn, so it's very devastating to us and our family. So this is my first time doing a video in a couple weeks because I've just been dealing with, make sure I was there, been there for my daughter, and just trying to stay sane. It's very difficult. So I was thinking maybe if I do something, a memorial for her, then maybe this would bring me a little bit comfort for my first video back. The elephant that you see posted in my thumbnail is what we're going to be doing today, and that is in honor for my granddaughter, baby Araya. Okay, so let me go ahead. I already started a few things. This is her name, and basically for the elephant, so this is how I'm going to do her ear to ear. The font is milkshake. I love the milkshake font, okay? Okay, that's good enough for me. The width is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 by 2.8 is what I'm going to do for her name. Okay, and then for the her birthday and the pounds and ounces, I'm going to make that the width 2.5. I'm gonna make that 2, and then the width is going to be 3. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that should be fine. What I'm gonna do is get this line spacing, bring this up some. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the line spacing, and I'm going to go up with this or down. I can bring it up some closer together. Okay, and then I'm going to center it. Go to the line and then center. Let's see. Align and center. It says it's centered, but it don't look centered to me. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna ungroup it. Group this back up right here so I can center it a little bit more because it's not to my liking. So I'm just gonna basically bring it over about right here. And there we go. Now my eyes playing tricks on me, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna leave it just like, maybe it was finally where it was. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and group this back. Then I'm gonna go ahead and weld it together. So when I cut it, it'll be all together. Then I'm gonna weld this together too. Okay. And I'm gonna leave this black right here because it doesn't matter what it's just the color you're gonna put inside your Cricut. I'm using my Cricut maker, and I'm going to be using the pink glitter vinyl. Okay. So you can leave whatever color you want to leave it. It's up to you. But I'm going to be using pink. You can change the color if you want to. For the beginners, let me go ahead and show you. Just go to color, and then you can find the color you want. Pink is not up here. So you go to advance. And let's see. Let's see if I can find some pink. I'll just use this right here. Okay, there's pink right here. Then I'll do the same thing for this right here. And so I already should be saved. There it is. And then just leave it like that. And that's the pink I'm going to be using too, y'all. So that's funny. But it's going to be glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go to make it. Because I have a few pieces of vinyl that I can use. Okay. So now that we have this, I'm going to go ahead and put her name right here. I'm going to put her birthday right here, and I'm going to make sure I have a piece of vinyl that's going to cut both of these. Instead of cutting the big old sheet of paper vinyl out, I already have 2 that's already cut. So I'm going to put a piece that at least is 2 by 3.5 right here, and then this is about the same. Yeah, so this is about 3 by 2.5, so 3 by 3. Okay. So make sure I have enough that's 3 by 3 right here, and enough that's it. It's 2.5 by 3.5 right here. Okay. So then you have to mirror it because we already putting heat on here. Make sure it's the same. Yeah. Okay, then you push continue. And I'm using my Cricut Maker, and I will be using the Everyday Iron-On glitter. So glitter Iron-On is right here. And then I just go ahead and push, load the mat after I get my mat together. So after I finish cutting the words, I'll be back to show you how to put it on the elephant. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, I was going to show y'all how it looked on the mat. See how I put one piece of vinyl right here and one piece of vinyl right here, and it cuts. Instead of getting a whole new sheet of paper, you can cut your vinyl the size that you need and put it in your mat, so it'll be much easier for you to use. Okay, so always make sure you get a piece of vinyl a little bit bigger so it will not go off the vinyl. The cutting won't go off the vinyl. Okay, I'll go ahead and cover my mat back up, keep it secure. And today I'm going to be using my easy press because I don't want to turn my heat press on for this little bitty elephant. So I'm gonna be using my Cricut Easy Press. I'm using the small one. I have all three of them. This is the small one. I have a medium and a large one. Okay. And set that right aside until we get this elephant together. Here's the elephant. I got this elephant from Amazon. I will put the link below. Okay. The ears is what I'm gonna be using. I measured the ears to make sure I had the right size for the show you the front and the back and the bottom. I will put the link below where I got this from on Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side also, and I'm gonna go ahead and weed this. I have so many different kind of weeding videos. I'm gonna show you how to weed this also. So here's the vinyl that I got. I believe this is scissors vinyl or the Cricut vinyl. Sorry, I don't have the packaging, so either scissor or Cricut. It's glitter Iron-On. Okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and weed this really quick. So I'm gonna cut this off because I have a little bit extra vinyl left on the side right here. So I'm just cut the side off of this right here. And I'm going to you always go start with the edge and just pull it. And glitter vinyl is really easy to weed, okay? Just pull it. You ain't gotta worry about it. It's tough. It ain't gonna mess up. And it's not gonna rip. But the regular vinyl, sometimes it does rip. But this glitter vinyl, it's really tough. And it's easy to weed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the insides of the numbers. Okay, you can go with whatever measurements you want to go with. I just chose these measurements. I did one for my daughter already. And I'm doing this one is for me. So I decided to go ahead and do hers off camera. Now let me go ahead and do mine on camera because people might want to know how to do this, okay? So, and I'm also gonna do a lantern for me to put in my house and put like a nice little isn't that beautiful? I love glitter. To put a nice little poem on it for my granddaughter, just to have memory in my house also. So let me know if you want to see these type of videos. I just want to do videos because I'm just, like I said, I'm here to do videos on things that I've created and designed. So I know this is and people have memorial things they want to learn how to do for different people in their family also. So that's why I'm really videotaping this because I really want to help people when they're going through times and they want to make things for their loved ones or friends. They can learn. You can know how to do it. So I have a couple of videos that I want to learn. I'm gonna do a fan for my granddaughter. I'm gonna do a lantern, and I'm gonna be doing scrapbooking also, getting everything together for scrapbooking. But I won't be doing the scrapbooking because those are personal pictures. But those are different things you can do for memorial. And I went to my group and they told me a lot of different things that I could try. I love my group. They really been by my side through this devastation, through this grieving process. They really been by my side. So I appreciate them. And if you're listening, thank you so much for being there for me. Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. If you don't know about my group, it's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. We're on Facebook. See, let me just show you. Make sure I have the right side. So I'm gonna basically turn it this way. Sorry about the angle of this camera, but something like this, okay? It's gonna be something like this. That's pretty. and it fits perfectly. So just measure it the way you want to measure it. And let me turn my ring light up too high. So yeah, measure it the way you want to measure, but this is how I want it, the ear to be like this. So I'm gonna end up cutting it around, cutting around the name so it can, you know, iron on really good. Okay. Okay. So that's going right there. Then I'm gonna put the birthday. It looks like it's kind of wide, but it fits perfectly. Yay! Okay, so this is how the name gonna look. I mean, the numbers and stuff is gonna look on here. You can see that. Sorry, it's a gloomy day outside. I don't want the ring light to be too bright, but I hope you can see that. So I'm gonna cut around this also. Go ahead and turn my easy press on so it can warm up. I'm gonna just put it on 330. I think I put it on 330. Let me see what I have it on already for my daughters. Just like I said, just go by ear. You can look up Cricut time and temperature if you want to, but me, I just go by. I just let it go and I just play with it. And if it don't, you know, with vinyl, if it don't stick, you keep on reheating it. Okay, as long as you don't burn the elephant. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. I love this glitter. Glitter vinyl is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna set that like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the ear. I mean the date on there also. Cut a little bit off on this side so it can lay down. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing a couple of memorial things coming up. But I'm also gonna do a rug. My cousin just got a new house, and she's having housewarming. So I'm gonna do a rug for her. And that's the first rug I did with just putting somebody's picture on there, a real photo on there. So I'm gonna be doing that too. So let me know if y'all want me to do videos on these things. I don't want to do videos if y'all not interested in it. And let me know what y'all want to see. Okay? Let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll start getting them out for y'all. I'm back. Like I said, I've been gone for 2 weeks, but now I'm trying to get back in order. Get back on to my videos, and I appreciate y'all being patient when waiting on me to come back. Okay. I think I used butcher paper for my daughters, but I'm not going to use butcher paper on this because it's just the ear. So you can use butcher paper if you want to, or you can just use this right here. Basically, helps it to protect everything. But let's see how it works. 30. It's on 330 for 30 seconds. That's what I probably use for my daughters. I'm just leave it just like that. Put the ear on the little heating pad little pad that I got from Michael's to go with the Cricut. So you just lay it on there. Then you just push the button. See, it's 330 for 33 seconds. Just let it sit on there for about this little pressure. As y'all can see my tattoo, I'm going to go ahead and get this retouched and put my granddaughter's name on here, because every time I think of her, I think of butterflies. I think she's in heaven playing with the butterflies. Like I said, she was stillborn, but she was 6 pounds 9 ounces, as you can see on here. She was beautiful. So I'm gonna go get a tattoo with her. Probably get some more butterflies on here and her name on there. Araya. Oh, that is so pretty. And it's kind of comfort me to talk about it, so I'm sorry that I'm talking about it, but I just want to tell the whole world about my baby. She was beautiful. See, this is her birthday right here, February 28th, 2020, and her 6 pounds 9 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. Check this one first before oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Y'all can see that. See, you didn't have enough 33 seconds. I mean, that 30 seconds, 330 was great. I didn't have to worry about doing it over again. But I'm gonna still go ahead and turn it backwards and just do it this way also, okay? For a couple seconds. Okay. That is beautiful, y'all. That glitter is pretty. Put it up here so you can see it real good. I'm trying to do different things, how to turn my camera. So I'm sorry if it's not good, but today I'm not trying to show my face because I'm not together. I'm just trying to do different ways of focusing my camera. See now since the numbers are so close to the elephant, I'm going to do this again because it's still sticking up, I can tell. So let me go ahead and put it a little bit closer to the face. And press it down a little bit more. Let's see if this will work. Or I might turn the machine over. I love using these little tiny ones for little projects like this. And they had a little tiny, can't think of what it's called, but it's like a little iron they got for Cricut too. But I don't need that if I have these. If I have this one. But for this one, this right here project would have been a really good project to use. That little tiny arm from Cricut. But we're gonna make this one work because I'm not since I already had this one. So there it is. Okay, it's good now. A little bit more. It's just hard getting a little right, the edges right here, okay? I'm gonna try one more time. Just pull it a little bit and then just set it down there a little bit and put it this way. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like. I do videos about twice a week. Like I said, I've been gone for a couple of weeks now, but I will be starting to get back on the road to doing more videos. Please check out my Facebook group, Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. If you're into sublimation, please check out Sublimation and Creation. That's my sublimation Facebook group. And I also have sublimation blanks on my website, www.charminggalboutique.com. If you buy things from me, if you have bought things from me in the past, please leave a review on my website. I also have an Etsy page, I also have an Etsy page, Charming Gal Boutique too. Okay, so please, if you purchase things from me, I really appreciate if you leave reviews. I've been getting so much love and support from everyone purchasing things from my website and everything. I appreciate you all, and I appreciate if you can leave me a review. Look at that, that's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? For baby Araya. Okay, I will link this where I got this elephant below. I will link it below this video. Also, please check out my I'm affiliated with Amazon, so anything below, any Amazon links below I will get a certain percentage from the purchase with no extra cost from you. Follow me on Instagram, Miss Charm Gal. On Pinterest, Miss Charm Gal. And also, if you go to mujka.cliparts.com, I'll leave a link below. You can save 20% off of all her SVGs. She has a lot of SVGs and PNGs on her site. They're beautiful. I use them a lot for my crafting. So check her out, and I'll leave a link below. If you can click on that, you will get 20% off anything that you purchase. Hit the red bell so you can be notified and share this video. And like I said, I appreciate you all. And if my group is listening, I appreciate you all for your support, your sympathy, your messages. And I will continue to do a couple more memorial videos in honor of my granddaughter. And just stay tuned. I have so much more to bring to you. Have a blessed day.